So here in the drawing section, we're going to have a look at all sorts of things on how to be drawn. We're going to look at drawing the plans, and from there we can see how to build up the staircase and the model which sits on top of it. These models that I build, I try and keep as accurate as possible, so I keep the grain going the correct way as if we were actually building in the workshop. So here you can see the return nosing, and here a little return nosing. We'll show you things like how the renewal posts in different positions, either in the middle of the going or at the front of the going, would affect the handrail heights. In the more advanced stages, we'll be showing you how, as on a spiral staircase, we can have these where all the tread ends are the same length, so that keeps the handrail looking as though it's flowing at a constant pitch. While coming around the outside of the staircase, we can see there's a landing here leading out to a feature window that is on this one. In some of the modelling side, we'll be looking at how to get a railing like this one here to flow round where the handrail goes around here, like that. And if we look at that on plan view, we highlight that one and look at it on plan view. Here you can see how that railing flows around where we want it to on plan view. We will also be looking at the how to create the plan views. Here you can see the stretch out, which shows us in two-dimensional the flow of the handrail. This will allow you to adjust the handrail to be able to get nice smooth transitions. We'll look at how keeping the treads outside of the springing point will actually make it much easier and the flow much nicer, unlike this one where you can see the tread is actually inside that springing point. So on this one, the change of direction is the same place as a change of pitch, and it's nicer to separate the two. We will have a look at how to create the handrail geometry for tangent hay railing. So if you are still making this by hand, you can print these out to be able to make the handrail components. We will be looking at how to model full sets of flights and create all the handrail components for the visuals. We will look at how all the landings all connect and how that landing is actually a tread and nothing else, and it's how it is all one staircase and needs to be designed as a single staircase, not as multiple flights. We will also have a look at some of the drawings that I keep to one side, which we can download or you can download, and these have outlines. They have 3D models, so you can pick these pieces up and drop them straight into your drawings. We have here a collection of newel posts. We have spindles, so all these are already modelled and you can drop those straight in. We have the handrail outlines. We have the scooters, treads, nosings, stringer details, and lots of other pieces like that, and treads ready to go. We have the geometry for the monkey tails, so that's all there to help you in doing the drawings. And we have our spreadsheet, which runs through the way of doing the drawings, what stages you need to go through to make certain they all work correctly, along with our pitch calculator or going calculator, which you can just put the total rise in, and that will give you all your goings at the different degrees. You can put your spindle size in to give you your maximum tread size, and that gives you all your single individual rise and goings as well. And there's a metric imperial to metric conversion down here. So there's loads more in here that's going to be added in, but this is just the start of where we are going.